your Tacoma center console needs an upgrade. This is my new center console lid, custom made by KC Upholstery out of California. There are many different options you can choose in getting your center console lid rewrapped, but one added benefit, when KC Upholstery rewraps your center console lid, they add in some extra foam padding. So on those longer drives when you're resting your arm on here, it's a little more comfortable than it might be from factory. Stay tuned. We're gonna be throwing this thing in the truck and showing you how simple the upgrade can be just to add a little more flair to your Tacoma's interior. What is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Right behind me, this is the Fortune Taco. And today we're doing a very simple upgrade, but it just adds some better looks to the interior of your Tacoma. I already briefly showed it to you there in the intro, but your center console lid, what you need to do to get this thing rewrapped is remove this lid, which is very simple. You're gonna ship this off to KC Upholstery in California. They rewrap it, they ship it back to you, which is a very quick turnaround, and then you install it. But the actual work you have to do on your end is so simple, this can be done by anyone, I guarantee it. So this is obviously what the lid's gonna look like after. Show you guys what the lid looks like from factory, which most of you are used to. No, it's not a real leather, it's like a pleather. It's a fake synthetic leather, but it's just leather wrapped. There's nothing wrong with it, it looks good, but I wanted to add a little more flair to the interior, as I've slowly been doing over time. As you can see here, once you open up the center console lid, there is a plastic insert on the inside of that lid. Now there's 6 screws on that insert, 2 at the top, 2 on either side, 2 at the bottom. Once you remove those 6 screws, that plastic insert will come out, and it's now going to expose the hinge mechanism for your center console lid. That hinge has 4 Phillips screws on it that need to be removed. Once you remove those 4 screws, you will then be able to pull off your center console lid. Now that is it. It is that simple to remove it. You will reach out to KC Upholstery so you can order your new cover, but they'll give you directions on where you need to ship it to and what you need to do to make your order process go smooth. After KC Upholstery gets it wrapped and mails it back to you, this is gonna be what you're gonna get in the mail. Now, all we have to do is take this and just reverse the process we did to get the old one out. Once you get this new center console lid in here, it might take just a little bit of work to kind of wedge it down behind the hinge, since this material is a little bit thicker and there's some foam padding added in there by KC. But as you start to work the screws into the respective threaded holes, it'll all start to pull itself into the correct position. Just make sure you're careful when you're screwing these back in. All of the threads that we're screwing these metal screws into are just plastic. So if you tighten it too much, you could possibly damage the threads. So now we have the lid on there. We're not quite done. We need to put that plastic insert back in, because the plastic insert is what actually has the latch that keeps this thing closed. You're gonna get it back in here, and one thing to note, you might have to kind of press it in there and give it a little bit of force. So when you're putting it in, all the new material folded over here and whatnot, you might have to just kind of work it past all that. It's not gonna just kind of pop in and stay there. So definitely make sure once you put it in, you try to kind of press it in and get it all worked in there, so it'll be easier when putting these tiny screws in. Oh. Once you have all those screws from the inner liner put in, that's it. You got this thing done. It's time to close it. Latches nice and beautifully, and it works just as factory did. So like I told you guys, a pretty simple install, just a couple screws, and then obviously wait time. You have to mail it out, wait for it to come back, screw it back in. If you guys have been following my build, then you know slowly over time I've been adding little accents here and there to the inside of the truck. I have a couple different items from them so far. One thing that's not from KC is the seat covers, but I've been doing a good job, and KC's been doing really good of making this stuff match. So my seat covers are PRP seat covers. I did do a video on the channel about that. I have this Bride fabric shift boot here, which was the very first thing I ever got from KC. They also have the e-brake shift boot. You can either get these in a combo pack or individually. And then the next item I got is the airbag cover here. There's dog hair everywhere. So the dogs love riding in the truck. It is also bride fabric with some red stitching. That will then tie the shifter and the e-brake, all those get tied together. Then now, newest modification to the truck here is this center console lid from KC Upholstery. So we did a nice leather strip down the center, red stitching, and then bride accents on either side, so it would tie into all the other bride stuff I have from KC already. And what I like about it is my interior is pretty much blacked out, but those red accents just give it a little bit of red touch. So outside is pretty much red with black. The interior is all black with red. The owner of KC Upholstery, Kevin, is also a Tacoma owner, so he's one of us, and he loves helping us be able to decorate our trucks just as he enjoys doing his as well. So Kevin, thank you. I appreciate you for being quick and making a good quality product. If you guys are interested in checking out his website, link down below. KC Upholstery is a small mom and pop business out of California, so if these products are of any interest to you, purchasing from them is supporting small businesses. That is gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please do me a couple favors before you take off to the next video. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. It helps the video be more successful to get seen by people just like yourself. If you have any questions about the KC Upholstery center console lid, any of their products, or any questions in general for myself or the truck, drop a comment down below. I try my best to reply to every comment that is left on my video. And last but not least, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, or maybe you've seen a few of them, but you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. You'll be able to see anytime I release future content right here on the channel. Thank you guys, I appreciate you, and I will see you on my next video.